trim these up. Cook through. Up. I've learned if I cut this in the middle, typically I can pull this out and leave all that purge from the meat right in there. Sometimes before I get these ribs, they'll come with like most of the flap off. Let's grab our handy dandy paper towel. And get a hold of our membrane here. There we go. Once you get a hold, those are pretty thick. Basically, for no-name Kroger ribs, they're not too bad. And the trim's going to be minimal. Just to get the big chunk of fat off of the end here. Dig down into it too much. But I mean, they're pretty square. And if you take a look at they're pretty marbled. As I said, for no-name Kroger ribs, sometimes they look really good. These ain't for competition, these are just for eating. And we're going to go out in left field a little bit with these. If you have not tried the Grill Your Ass Off seasonings out of Texas, we're going to hit it with the Mango Habanero today. Just for grins and giggles. And there's these guys, this guy's seasonings, I gotta admit, are up to competition level. So I'm gonna let this side sweat out for a little bit. We'll be back. All right. I at least let this thing sit for a little bit. Now, since I'm hanging them in the pit barrel, I'm going to measure down 2 ribs. Poke that through. Try not to disturb the rub as much as I can. Notice when I picked it up, next to no rub fell off. That's purpose of letting them set, letting it sweat in, letting it adhere. It didn't sweat in as much, but then again, it's it's a balmy 16 degrees out here, and we got a wind advisory. I think the wind chill is supposed to feel like -12, -10. 25 mile an hour, up to 25 mile an hour gusts. Perfect grilling weather. Now I would, in weather this bad, I would break out my Humphreys battle box. But if you do that, that's almost cheating. It's too easy. It's double wall insulated, and no matter what the temperature is outside, it won't affect it. So we'll let this sit on here for a minute. We'll hang them up. Okay, I'm about done waiting myself. So, Mango Habanero ribs going on pit barrel cooker. Over top, Royal Oak supersized charcoal. It's right at 11 o'clock. We'll give it an hour. Rib and weather report from Jon Snow beyond the wall. Look at that color. That mango. That mango rub put some pretty color on it. I will say that. We're about an hour and 15 minutes in. Check back here in about another hour. Stay tuned.